Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today is a fantastic Friday, May 1st, 2020, and we are going to be focusing on lesson 4. Welcome to first grade ELA virtual class. I hope that you're ready to grow your brain. All right, so the scholars with the most minutes and points are as follows. These scholars, once they are shouted out, by the end of today, I will ensure that you have something going in the mail and you should receive it by next week. The scholar with the most iReady minutes is scholar number 27 in Ashford and scholar number 10 in ISU. The scholar with the most Get Epic minutes in Ashford, that's scholar number 14. And ISU, that's scholar number 9. And then the scholar with the most Grow Our Team points in Ashford, two scholars had the most. They both had 18. That's scholar number 14 and that's scholar number 7. And then the scholar with the most Grow Our Team points in ISU, that scholar had 17 points and that's scholar number 17. I will ensure that these scholars get something in the mail. You should receive that next week. Congratulations, scholars. Keep up the good work. Now, we do have more shout outs. These are all of the scholars who were able to log into iReady. These are the scholars who were able to get into Get Epic. And these are the scholars who had more than one Grow Our Team point. Okay. So the scholars in iReady who I would like to shout out, scholars number 27, 7, 3, 25, 24, 4, 9, and 14. And ISU, those scholars are 10, 14, 9, 11, 3, 7, and 29. Those scholars all got into iReady reading and they did more than 5 minutes, okay? Scholars who got on to Get Epic in Ashford, that's scholar number 24, 1, 27, 25, 14, 7, and 3. And then in ISU, scholars number 9 and 29. Looks like Ashford has ISU beat. They have more scholars getting into iReady. They also have more scholars getting on to Get Epic. ISU, let's step it up, okay? Now, these are the scholars who had more than one Grow Our Team point. They have between 1 and 18 Grow Our Team points. So in Ashford, scholars who had 5 Grow Our Team points are number 3 and 28. Scholar who had 6 Grow Our Team points is scholar number 24. The scholar who had 10 Grow Our Team points is scholar number 17. Scholar with 12 Grow Our Team points is scholar number 12, 13, and 25. Scholar with 17 Grow Our Team points is scholar number 27. And then the scholar with 18 Grow Our Team points is scholar number 14 and 7. Keep up the great work, scholars. Make sure you turn that work in each day so that you can get as many Grow Our Team points as possible. And ISU, the scholar who had 1 Grow Our Team point is scholar number 14. The scholar with 5 Grow Our Team points is scholar number 19. The scholar with 10 Grow Our Team points is scholar number 29. The scholar with 11 Grow Our Team points is scholar number 7. The scholar with 12 Grow Our Team points is scholar number 9. And the scholar with 17 Grow Our Team points is scholar number 17. Keep up the great work, scholars. Continue to turn in your work. However, by next week, I'm going to see this double. I want at least double the amount of scholars submitting work. And also, I have been trying to figure out a way to figure out whose birthday it is because our calendar is at the school. And I just remembered last night that we have a big roster with everybody's birthday. So I would like to shout out these scholars for having a birthday during the time we've not been in school, and I will try to keep up with this moving forward. So if you have a birthday in May, I'm going to make sure I shout you out, okay? So in Ashford, scholar number 23 had a birthday in March 23rd, so happy birthday to you. And then at ISU, scholar number 8 had a birthday on April 11th. Happy belated birthday to you as well. I'm sorry I did not get you a happy birthday prior to then. I won't make that mistake again. Happy belated birthday to the both of you. I hope you enjoyed it as much as possible. And let's go. Objective. Objective. I will answer written, multiple choice, and short answer questions. Digraph. Wait for the snap. When you see the O and the A together, what sound does it make? If you said O, give yourself a point. When you see the letters A and I together, what sound does it make? If you said A, give yourself a point. When you see the A and the Y together, what do you say? If you said A, give yourself a point. Tricky words. Don't get tricked. Repeat after me. Mexico. Talk. Hidalgo. Gracias. Carlos. Gomez. Spelling words. Spelling test on Monday. F-A-D-E. That spells fade. That spells K-N-O-C-K-E-D. That spells knocked. That spells K-N-I-T-T-I-N-G. That spells knitting. That spells D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. That spells drinking. That spells P-I-T-C-H. That spells pitch. That spells W-R-A-P-P-E-R. That spells wrapper. That spells H-A-N-D-S. That spells hands. That spells B-Y. That spells buy. That spells. All right, scholars, I hope you're ready to grow your brain. So we're going to be in our readers today. All right. A-Y's working together makes what sound? A. Day. K. Play. Say. 2-syllable words. Shopper. Dinner. Outside. Manners. Finished. Manners is a noun. Manners is a noun because it is a thing. It is the behavior around people, around other people. For example, I would say, my mother says it is important to have good manners. So scholars, we're going to read today's story to find out how the dinner goes. If you remember when we read Martez, Kay was always talking about somebody named Martez, and they eventually invited him over for dinner. So the title of today's story is called Dinner with Kay, beginning on page 8 if we had our readers, okay? Now, this is my challenge to you. If you would like, go ahead. Either mute the video so you can read independently on your own along with Miss Jackson, or pause the video and read each page independently as much as possible. This is going to get you ready for second grade as much as possible, okay? Starting with the title, Dinner with Kay. Finger underneath the word the. The next day, Martez visits Kay's house for dinner. Kay's mom serves corn on the cob. Finger underneath the word Martez. Martez tells Kay's mom, I like this corn a lot. You are a good cook. Finger underneath the word thank. Thank you, says Kay's mom. Again, if you want to read independently or if you are going to accept the challenge, pause the video, read this page independently, or mute it and read it along with Miss Jackson, okay? Which means you're going to be reading it, so am I, but I'm going to be muted, so you shouldn't hear me. Just read along with me. You'll know where I am because I'm going to put that red line where I am, okay? Finger underneath the word I. I got the corn on sale, Kay's dad brags. Kay's dad smiles. He is proud to think that he got good corn for such a good price. Finger underneath the word Martez. Martez says, this corn is so sweet. You are a good shopper. Finger underneath the word after. Another challenge, scholars. Pause the video, read this page independently, or mute the video so you can read along with Miss Jackson. That's my challenge to you. If you can do this every day whenever we have time to read the reader, you're definitely going to be ready for second grade, okay? Because the first reader in second grade, you have to read it independently. The teacher won't read it to you. She won't help you for the most part unless she absolutely needs to, but it's going to be expected that you read independently on the first week of second grade. So please practice reading, okay? Finger underneath the word after. After dinner, Kay and Martez run outside. They splash in the pool and play tag. Finger underneath the word while. While doing the dishes, Kay's mom says, what good manners that Martez has. Finger underneath the word yes. Yes, says Kay's dad. And he ate all of the food on his plate. Finger underneath the word when. When playtime is finished, Martez runs inside to thank Kay's mom and dad for dinner. Finger underneath the word then. Then he asks, can Kay have dinner at our house tomorrow? Finger underneath the word Kay's. Kay's mom and dad say she can. They like Martez. All right, scholars, so this is the time where you should have your packet, and it should be on today's date, which is Friday, May 1st. All right, so there are 4 questions. 4 questions. You will do this independently. I will read the questions. You have to read the answers for 1 through 3. Please make sure you take a picture of answers 1, 2, and 3. So 1 full picture of 1 and 3, 1 through 3. Make sure your parents, your aunt, your uncle, your cousin, your grandparents, your older sibling, send this text message to Miss Jackson. The scholar who gets all 3 of them correct will get 3 Grow Our Teen points, so long as you get the right answer, the right page number, and I get the text message, okay? However many you get correct is how many Grow Our Teen points you will get, okay? So question number 1 says, Kay's mom serves You have to read the 3 answers and identify which answer is the correct answer and tell me what page you got your answer from. Number 2 says, where do Kay and Martez play? You have to read the 3 answers and identify the 1 correct answer, telling me what page number you got that answer from. And then number 3 says, mark the sentence that tells why Kay's mom liked Martez. So you're going to read the 3 answers and you're going to identify which answer is the correct answer, and then you're going to tell me which page number you got your answer from. And then question number 4 says, write 1 thing that Martez says because he has good manners. So you're going to go back and figure out why did Kay's parents say he has good manners? What sentence did he say? I want you to go back, find that sentence, write that sentence, and then tell me what page number you got that from. This should take no more than 7 minutes for you to do independently. So go ahead and make sure you do 1 through 4 independently. Take a picture of 1 through 3. Make sure Miss Jackson gets that picture. That's 3 guard team points if you get all 3 of them correct. Keep up the good work, scholars. The lesson is over. And today you can get on ABC Mouse. Today is just a day of not relaxation, but just calm. If you would like to get on to Get Epic, and that's fine. If you want to get on iReady, that's fine. But if you would like to get on the ABC Mouse, go ahead and get on the ABC Mouse. If you forgot, have your parents send me a text message. Also today, I have a video chat at 12:30 and at 3:45. If your parents have not told you about it yet, please ask them if you can join my video chat. Have a great weekend, scholars. I miss you. Cannot wait to see you and hear from you. Bye.